Hello, Stampin' friends. This is Monica Gibberti with Stampin' with Monica, and happy Sunday. It is February 1st. Happy, well, what do you call it? Love month. And we are already in February, and I cannot believe it's already that month. But anyways, I'm here to do my usual Sunday recap. It is 5:39 in the afternoon on a cold 23 degrees in Stafford, Virginia. I don't know where you are right now, but it is so cold that it's not even funny. What is ending today is the Valentine Kisses card, a class. It's not a card class, it's a class with 5 different projects, of which 4 are cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 of the cards are fun folds. And then we have this cutie patootie box. And this class can be yours. The supplies to recreate this class, plus, let me just grab my thing here. I am going to, so let me recap. The supplies to recreate the 5 projects, okay, will be yours free with a minimum $50 order placed in my online store by tonight. Today is the last day. What I'm doing this month, or for this class, is to add a quarter of a pack of the designer series paper. As you can see, it's all in here, plus a few yards of the ribbon that I used so that you can complete the projects as designed, okay? You will need the Valentine Kisses bundle that I have here somewhere over the rainbow to recreate the projects exactly as I designed them, okay? Valentine Kisses, where are my dies? Right here, okay? The bundle is back in stock, came back yesterday or the day before. It is $42.25, I think, something like that. So it's very close to the $50 threshold to get your class for free. $50 supplies for 5 plus a quarter of a pack of the paper and this. $50 also by tonight, if you want the class, will also give you a bonus day coupon that you will be able to redeem of $5 that you'll be able to redeem on starting February 3rd through the end of the month. Okay, if you're pushing the order up to over $60, I am going to add, where did I put it? A whole packet of the dots that I used for the class, and these are $9 value. That will be free, included in the class packet that I'm mailing out to you. No charge. That will come to you mailed. But if you want to push your order up to $75 or more, then you can select to add your Fabulous Sayings product of the month for $5. I think this is still available even though we are in February, because usually it's a month, you know. But this should still be available in the online store once you reach the $75 threshold before shipping and tax, and after you apply your Stampin' rewards. Then there will be a pop-up that will tell you that you can add this product for $5 if you want to, okay? So the system will prep. This is one time per account, is only one item, one of each that you can earn, okay? Then starting next week, we will know what the new product of the month will be. If you also are reaching the $75 mark, I will send you a PDF tutorial for this beautiful, versatile stamp set. It's a collection of 6 different projects. I collaborated with 5 out of the demonstrators, and from all over, I would have to say, all over United States, but also we have somebody from overseas, from Europe, that is joining us in this collaboration. So, okay, so $50 will get you some yards of this, a quarter of a pack of the designer series paper, and the supplies to recreate these projects. You have to have the Valentine Kisses bundle to make it exactly like I did. Class includes a PDF tutorial with step-by-step instructions. Okay, if you then push up to $60, I'm going to add this to that, to the class, shipped to you, to your door, and you have the instruction and everything. I will not cut the designer series paper for you because the PDF tutorial has all the measurements. Okay, I will include all the labels and everything that are not, like I would not die cut the bear or anything. I will include the the cardstock, so you can die cut whatever you want, in case you do not want to use the Valentine Kisses bundle. You want to use something else. Okay, this is ending tonight, so I'm gonna watch. Thank you for those that already placed the orders. Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Then starting next week, we are going to focus our class on the Endless Love bundle, and we will show you, I will try to do the first 2 days of the week. This is all crooked, I'm sorry. And I will show you 5 different projects. There will be 3 cards this time and 2 3D. One will be a stuffed envelope, how to put it together, and I'll show you what to put inside. Then we'll use a bag from the suite of product that the Made of Love. So what you get in this class with $49, this is a registration, so I will put the link of the registration. $49 shipped to your door. Okay, as the registration come in, I will send out, obviously I am going to expedite on my own the supplies that I need for the class so that you can get it in a timely manner. If you want to add the Endless Love bundle to your order, to the registration, you can do so, so then you can have it in time to recreate. Okay, I'll also add that option in case you don't already have this bundle. Okay, so I will do that as my thank you for registering for the class. Okay, $49 shipped. This I will also add the option to add this one, and this will be at cost, at catalog cost, so you save on shipping and tax, but only if you register for the class. Okay, so that is that. What you get in your class is half a pack of the designer series paper. These are mine, the loose Valentine assortment, and a full boast of the ribbon, and half a pack of these beautiful bags that you can decorate as you like. You will decorate one, and then you'll have extra to use. I would have to say not only during the month of February, but throughout the year, because you want to send love to anybody. So it could be a birthday, little bag, whatever. Okay, so this will be a registration link for $49 shipped, and you get to make 3 over-the-top cards, because that will be 2. I mean, they will be with lots of layers and die cuts and everything. I will not include any of the pre-die cuts. If there are labels extra that are not in the bundle, I will do that. Otherwise, you'll get the cardstock. Basically, this is a modification of the class that I closed the registration for last week. And for those that will come or already got it to go, you also get to make for those. This is going to be different. So it's a modification of the class, but because I loved the projects as much, I wanted to extend the opportunity for those that didn't have time or missed the registration for the class. Okay, so you get 3 beautiful cards and 2 bags 3D in the class, $49 shipped. Registration closes next Sunday, okay? But if you're interested, I will suggest that you register right away so I can place the order, get everything out for you in time for you to create the cards, mail them out, create the gifts and stuff like that. Okay, so that is what I wanted to let you know. If you are popping in, say hi. I see a few set of eyes. Don't be shy, as I always say. And this is my usual recap for what is closing out and what is coming up. And then this will be the last class for Valentine's, but the registration will close on Sunday. But I would suggest, if you're interested, to register ASAP or ASAP, whatever you say it, so that I can prep, order, if you want to add the bundle, and then send it out to you so you can craft at your heart content. Okay, let me see who's popping on. Oh, my friend Sharon, that is from Florida. I hear that you guys are that you're cold, as we are. We are in 24 degrees. And then I have Sue from Ohio. I don't know, you might be cold over there as well. This has been so far the coldest that I've been here for, because we are in Virginia and around Washington DC. We usually don't have this cold of a weather or winter, or maybe we had 1 or 2 days, but it's been over a week. Schools, because we also have snow, and then we have sheet of ice. Okay, and schools are going to be closed next week as well, so at least Monday. So yeah, it's going to be crazy. Okay, so in case you missed you can watch the replay, which 10 degrees right now in Ohio. Boy, we're 24 degrees, so it's like crazy. But anyways, this was going to be my reminder. So I am offering this class modification from my Super Saturday class that it will be in person on the 7th. Fingers crossed. You never know what the weather is going to be like. And if not, you can choose to have it shipped. But this class that I'm offering right now is $45 shipped to your door. It will include the paper, half a pack, assortment, ribbon, a few of these, and 5 different projects, 2 3D projects and 3 beautiful cards with envelopes included. You can decide to add the Endless Love bundle to your registration at a savings, okay? But registration closes on Sunday. And as I said, during this week, I'm placing an expedite order. So if you want to add this to your registration, you can do so, because you're saving on shipping and tax, as I said, okay? And then today is the last day for you to place your qualifying order to receive the Valentine Kisses supplies, class kit, supplies to recreate these projects. And on top of that, I'm adding a 1/4 of a pack of the designer trees paper with your order of $50 or more. And also a few yards of the ribbon so that you can finish the project. No embellishments with 50. If you pop it up over $60 before shipping and tax, I'm adding a pack of these. And remember that we have bonus days that is going to end on February 2nd. That will be tomorrow, okay? My class, this one is good until tonight. Okay, so, let me read here. Erin, I don't go back until Wednesday. Yeah. I don't even know what is going to happen here because it's really, nothing is melting. Nothing is melting. But anyways, let's warm our hearts with our classes. Haha, do you like that? And let's celebrate the month of love. And with these beautiful cards here that can be, yes, Valentine's, you can change. You can say celebrate or something and just give it out during the month of February. Even these cards, sending kisses, bear hugs and kisses. You can use, yes, happy Valentine's if you want to, or just not. Just put hearts and hugs because you don't know. Sending lots of love your way to celebrate this special day. Could be any special date in February, right? And this giving you a big smooch. Why not sending somebody a kiss and a heart? And there you go. There you go. So these are the projects for this class that is ending tonight. Order needs to be placed tonight before end of the day. Okay, that is all that I wanted to let you know. Thank you for joining me. Look at this. There you go. And I hope, yes, stay warm. I hope you guys are staying warm. And I will talk to you soon. I'll be live tomorrow and Tuesday for my class. So I will try to do 3 projects and 2 projects so that you can see the class, that I can place the order and you get all the supplies for in time. And the registration link will be at the top of this video when I'm done. Okay? Thank you. Have a great, great evening. Bye-bye.